Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my class. Okay, how are you today guys? I hope all of you are well, yeah? Okay, let's see what is the next material that we will learn for today. Our learning objective for these materials are: first one is students are able to describe how something is made step by step. And the second, students are able to identify parts of procedure text. And the last, students are able to identify language features of procedure text. Guys, so have you ever heard about procedure text? Or do you know about procedure text? Okay, so what is procedure text? Procedure text is a text that explains how people do or make something step by step. Next, so what is the purpose of procedure text? The purpose of procedure text is to tell or show how to make or do something through sequence of actions, or how to operate or do something through by sequence of steps. What are the characteristics of procedure text? The first one is using simple present. For example, prepare all the ingredients and tools. This is the example of simple present. The second is using imperative sentence. For example, add 2 spoons of sugar. This is the imperative sentence. The third is using action verb. For example, put, cut, or prepare. And the last is using a verb of sequence or temporal conjunction. For example, like first, second, third, finally, then, next, and the last. What are the generic structures of procedure text? There are 3. The first is goal or aim or title. The second is materials or tools. And the last is steps. Goal or aim or title explains about the purpose of the text. For example, like how to make iced fruit cocktail with condensed milk, or how to make Facebook account. Materials or tools are everything that we need in the process. For example, if you want to make iced fruit cocktail with condensed milk, you need milk, you need fruit, and if you want to make Facebook account, you need email, phone number, or password. Steps are the actions are taken to achieve the goal. For example, like before, if you want to make iced fruit cocktail with condensed milk, the first step that you do is, the first wash all of the fruits, and the second, cut off the fruits, and then next, blah 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 blah. The next step, yeah. So guys, this is the example that I prepared and made for you. How to make a bookmark. Don't forget guys, the first thing that we must do if we want to make a procedure text is, the first one is make a title or aim or goal. Yeah, so in this example, I choose how to make a bookmark. Nah, the first thing, yeah. The second, I must write the materials that I need or the tools that I need for make a bookmark. Yeah. And the third, I write steps how I make a bookmark. Materials needed. The first one is texture or colored cardboard. The second, markers, color or pencils. 3, glue. And the next, color paper. Choose the color you like. And the next, yarn, a hole punch, and the last is scissors. Now, next, the step. The first step is cut out the cardboard to the size and shape you want the bookmark to be. The second, decorate it with marker pens or color pencils or just about anything you have found. The third, punch a hole with the hole punch at the top of the cardboard. The last step is tie the yarn through the hole punch to form a tassel. So, this is the materials that I need and step that I must do when I want to make a bookmark. Nah, this is the example ya. Okay, so now it's your turn. Let's practice ya guys. But before you practice, don't forget, if you want to make a procedure text, be sure that you, the first one, put the title, the second, make a list of materials or tools, the third, use imperative sentence, and the last, use sequencing or temporal conjunctions. Okay guys? Nah guys, that's all my explanation. So enough for today. Don't forget to practice at home. Thank you so much and see you!